Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about types of function in C programming language. First is function with no arguments and no return values. So let's say, first I'm going to remove the song and here let's write white mul. So this is the function header and main function, and inside I'm going to pass mul function. So let's write the definition of mul function. So right here, write void mul. Inside, take integer variable x, y, z, and at here, write printf function. So inside, write enter the first number. So that will go to x. At here, write percent d ampersand x. Now copy this particular to line and paste it down. Enter second number slash n. So that will go for y. Enter third number and that will go for z. So right here, write the multiplication of percentage percentage comma percent d and last slash n x comma y comma z x into y into z. Percent d here also. So at here, function with no argument. So there is no any argument and no any return value. And here I'm using white keyword, so no any return value. So let's click on build and run. Enter the number 4, 5, 5. So at here, multiplication of 4, 5, 5 are 100. So how's the program work? So if you debug the code, then control comes to main function that go inside call mul function. So control comes to this point here that will execute the block of mul function. Enter first number, second number, third number. So after this is all completed, this return the multiplication of x, y, z. So right here I used a white keyword, so no need to use return keyword at the next function with argument and no return values. So let's see. So right here write int x, int y, and no need of this all code. So let's remove. Right here write int res and res equal to x into y and close by semicolon. Write printf function here right inside multiplication of percentage is percentage slash m x comma y comma x into y. Here I need to give one more percentage. Now go to main function at here in since at here or two parameter in main function, so let's pass two parameter 1, 2 and 3. Let's click on build and run. So right here the multiplication of 12, 3 or 36. So how's the program work? So if you debug the code, then code comes to main function hereafter that will go inside call mul function. Control comes to this point. So right here mul function two parameters there. So x receive 12, y receive 3. Out here I declare local variable res. So right here 12 into 3 that will go to res. So or you can write at here res, the same output will come. Multiplication of 12, 3 or 36, the same output. So since we are in this example, I discussed function with argument and no return value. So right here I'm using void, so no need to pass return keyword. So right here I write to mul function at one time, or you can write one more time. So let's give 23 into 3. So that will multiply 23 or 3. So let's click on build and run. So I have multiplication of 23, 369. So function one time declare, or you can call many times according to the requirement. Now the next is function with argument and return values. So let's say, so add here return value. For return value, let's use int and need to mark this one as a comment and use return keyword. So inside I'm going to pass res, and inside of main function, let's remove this too. So I have write int z equal to mul. So multiplication of 2 and 4. So let's click on build and run, and here I'm getting the error. I think idea function header declared with void. Let's remove, and add here click on build and run. So add here process return 48 or 12 into 4 48, or you can write int z equal to mul 12 4, and add here write printer multiplication of two numbers percentage percentage, and add here pass z. Let's click on build and run. So add here multiplication to number 48, and next is displaying. So add here multiplication of two numbers percentage and z. So let's click on build and run. So add here multiplication of two numbers 48. So add here z value or returning 48. So how's the program work? So if you click on debug and run, so control comes to main function. Here after that will go inside add here int checked or variable. So add here mul function I passed. So hereafter control comes to this position. Add here int x receive or 12, y receive 4. Add here local variable I created res. So add here res equal to x into y. So add here 12 into 4 48. So this return 48. So add here this value 48 and on z become 48. Add here multiplication of two number percentage z value 48, that return. Or you can write one more time mul function pass two parameter 1 2 6. So add here the output must be 12. Click on build and run. So add here process return 12. So in this video, I discussed about function with argument and return value. Now next to function with no arguments and return values. So let's see. So function don't have any argument. So let's remove this. But function have return value. So add here int mul. So let's take one variable int n printf into the number scanf percent or d ampersand n and idea use return keyword return n and go to main function here int z. So no argument, remove this and enter. And here write your number percent slash n comma z. Now click on build and run. So at here enter the number 33. So your number 33 is returning. So how's the program work? So if you debug the code, then control comes to main function. Here after that go inside add here. I declare a jet variable integer type. Add here I pass mul. So hereafter control comes to this position here. I declare integer type local variable n printf enter the number so that go to n and suppose if I entered 33 so that will go to 33 and that return 33. So mul function return 33 control comes to this point here 33 initialize to z and at here your number percent 33 print. So in this example I discussed function with no arguments but return values. Next function that returns multiple values. So let's say first let's declare white mul. So this is a function header. Hereafter write int main function and inside let's declare x variable initialized to 10 y variable initialized to 2 w and z and write mul function. So right here I'm going to pass x y ampersand w ampersand z and write printf function at multiplication of percent t comma percent t the value of w and z. Close it by semicolon, and let's write definition of mul function. Void mul, and here pass 4 parameter int a, int a, int b, int star c, int star d. So at here star c equal to a star b, and star d equal to give any value 11 plus 5 whatever. Now click on build and run. So at here multiplication of percent t w value or 20 because 10 and 2, and this will display 11 plus 5 15. So at here if you debug the code, control comes to main function. Here after that go inside. At here I've taken 4 integer variable x, that is initialized to 10, y initialized to 2. At here mul function that call. So at here mul x value 10 and y value 2. So here after that call the mul function, control comes to this position. At here 10 2 and star c star d. So this is the address, and this will store the value. So at here a into b 10 into 2 20, a value stored to c, and 11 plus 5 15 value stored to d. So at here control comes to this point, yz value or displaying. So this point, this value c value or 10 into 2 20, and 11 plus 4 d value or 15. So if you like to display xy, so here you write percentage and x comma y comma z. So at your output will come 10 2 and 20 15. See, 10 to 20 15. So in this video it's over. Leave your feedback about this video, and thank you again.